Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can solve the problem of EA login credentials expired on our PC. So for that there are two possible solutions, and the first one is that you open up your browser where you usually open up EA. So just click on the three dots on the top right hand side corner, then go to your settings, and this is where it will lead you to. Here click on privacy and security, then click on this option of clear browsing data. After that you need to clear up your browsing data. If it's possible, just click up on the 4 weeks or all time, and if it is not possible then just go for 7 days or 24 hours and try it, but clearing up all time cookie would be better. And after that you should go on EA's website and try logging in. It should work after that, and if it don't work after that, then just simply go to this website and click on this option of login, then click on sign in, then make sure that you reset your password. You will be receiving a code on your email ID, and after that just use that code to reset your password, and it should work after that. So one of the method will be working quite fine with some of you. So these are the ways you can work around and get the EA work for you, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.